Best Blender are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best blender from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Vitamix White 5200 Blender, Professional Grade, 64 ounces. Container. The Vitamix 5200 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance blender that will get the job done and look stylish on the kitchen countertop. While Vitamix sells it as a commercial-grade blender, the 5200 is perfectly at home in a household package and will look great next to the coffee maker, the Instant Pot, and every other kitchen appliance. With a powerful motor and durable construction, this classic blender is one of the best heavy-duty blenders on the market today. Released in 2007, the Vitamix 5200 has remained a flagship bestseller in the C-Series, classic, family for a good reason, solid construction, unmatched food processing, and value for money. Since its release, Vitamix has released over 20 more models with newer features, including the latest Vitamix 750 blender. But the Vitamix 5200 remains a winner, offering killer value to households for years on end. Number 2. NutriBullet Personal Blender for Shakes, Smoothies, Food Prep, and Frozen Blending, 24 ounces, 600 watt. Gray, NBR0601. Meet the original NutriBullet, our compact yet powerful personal blender. You choose what goes in to get the most out of every ingredient, every day. With NutriBullet, healthier living is super simple. The NutriBullet is the fastest, easiest solution for making nutrient-packed smoothies. Load it up with your favorite whole foods like nuts, berries, and spinach. Then push, twist, and blend your way to a healthier lifestyle. Powerful 600-watt motor and refined nutrient extraction blades blend whole foods into liquid fuel for your body in seconds. Powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down tough ingredients. High-performance, BPA-free plastic cups are long-lasting and durable, hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. This item comes with a 1-year limited product, built to North American and Canadian electrical standards. Number 3. Ninja BL610 Professional 72 Oz Countertop Blender with 1000-watt base and total crushing technology for smoothies, ice, and frozen fruit. Black, 9.5 in L x 7.5 in W x 17 in H. The 72 ounces professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish-making inspiration. 1000-watt motor-based professional blender and 72 ounces total crushing pitcher with lid. The Ninja Professional Blender 1000 features a sleek design and outstanding performance. With 1000 watts of professional power, Ninja Total Crushing Blades gives you perfect ice crushing, blending, pureeing, and controlled processing. The XL 72 ounces professional blender jar is great for making drinks and smoothies for the whole family. Number 4. Hamilton Beach 58148A Blender to puree, crush ice, and make shakes and smoothies. 40 Oz glass jar, 12 functions, black and stainless, 8.66 x 6.5 x 14.69 inches. All the power you need to mix, puree, device, crush ice, and more with only 4 simple buttons. 700 watt of peak blending power. Do not fill blender jar beyond the 3-cup, 710 milliliter level. Make sure this fits. Be entering your model number. 700 watts. Peak blending power for powerful ice crushing. Wave action system. 700-watt power blender continuously pulls mixture down into the blades for consistently smooth results. 12 blending functions. Multi-function blender with only 5 simple buttons on the easy-to-read control panel. Power blender creates smoothies, icy drinks, shakes, and more. Easy to clean. Blades remove for easy cleaning. Jar, blades, and lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Clean, easy pour. Multi-function blender with unique, no mess pouring spout. Number 5. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. 1100 watts, 3 functions for frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. 72-ounce pitcher, 2 16-ounce, 2-go cups and spout lids gray. Ultimate power. 1100-watt motor powers through the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. Versatile functions. Professional performance with 3 manual speeds, pulse, and the single-serve function for 2-go cups. XL capacity, 72-ounce. Total crushing pitcher is perfect for creating creamy frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family or entertaining guests. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Food processing. Chop fresh ingredients evenly without any mush. Effortlessly mince, chop, grind, and blend a variety of ingredients for easy meal preparations and recipes. On-the-go convenience. Blend directly in the 16-ounce single-serve cup. Attach the spout lid and enjoy your creations on the go. Easy to clean. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Recipe inspiration. Includes a 28-recipe inspiration guide to get you started with easy-to-prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. What's included? 1100-watt motor base, 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher with lid. Stacked blade assembly, 2 16 ounces. 2-go cups, 2. Spout lids, pro extractor blades assembly, and 28 recipe inspiration guide.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below.